What is U-chart? A U-chart is an attribute control chart used with data collecting in subgroup of varying size. U-chart shows how the process measured by the number of nonconformities per item or group of items change over the time. Nonconformities are defects or occurrence found in the sampled subgroup. In statistical quality control, the U-chart is a type of control chart used to monitor count type data where the sample size is greater than the one, typically the average number of nonconformities per unit. The plotted value is a fraction or percent of the sample subgroup size. The size of the sample subgroup can vary without rendering the chart useless. In this case, the control chart high and low limits vary from sample interval to sample interval, depending on the number of sample in associated subgroup. Now, what is the difference between U-chart and other attribute control chart? Now, first is U-chart versus P and NP chart. This chart tracks the number of defects, not the number of defective parts as done in the P chart and NP chart. Now, in second, C chart versus U chart. The C chart is used when a single unit will be examined for nonconformities at each time point. The U chart is used when a number of units will be sampled at each time point and per unit average number of nonconformities will be obtained. Now, how to plot U chart? For that, let's move to Microsoft Excel.